This video will tell you how to fix 90% check engine problems for free. Before I give you the solution, let's see the top 4 reasons that cause the check engine lighting. The mass airflow sensor tells the car's computer to add the proper amount of fuel based on the air coming through to the engine. A faulty one can increase emissions, cause the car to stall, and decrease gas mileage. An oxygen sensor is a part that monitors the unburned oxygen from the exhaust. It helps monitor how much fuel is burned. A faulty sensor means it's not providing the right data to the computer and causes a decrease in gas mileage. If your catalytic converter is failing, you'll notice a decrease in gas mileage, or your car won't go any faster when you push the gas. Loose or faulty gas cap. When it's loose or cracked, fuel vapors leak out and can throw the whole fuel system off. This causes a reduction in gas mileage and increases emissions. Because of 90% of check engine lighting caused by loose or faulty gas cap. Check the gas cap, then do the next thing. First, turn off your engine. Second, open front trunk. Disconnect the negative cable of the battery. If you started removing the positive cable instead, your wrench could hit the chassis and cause a short. Then you wait for 5 minutes. Then you can reconnect the negative cable of the battery. The method will reset your check engine code. It should work for 90% of the check engine lighting problem.